Telugu Titans and Puneri Paltan, who play next, will be watching this game with great interest. Who comes into raid? Who can flow like a river and can hit you like a storm, can become a right raider, and the left is gone! Arjun Deswal, off you go! Bengal Warriors without money, without fuzzle, made a good start.
Raider out.
Pranay Rane comes in for the second raid. He's not picked up a point yet. Now he turns! And yes,
1 point, Bengal Warrior.
2-point lead for Bengal Warriors. Good thing is that they've not allowed Arjun the free-flowing start. One more time. Gate closed. Raider on the bench. It's the mighty
1
one on
point,
Arjun.
Bengal Warrior.
1 versus 2. The language of super tackles. Rough super tackle. Oh, yes, he does. This time, no blemish at all. One more time. Jaipur Pink Panthers are
1
down
point,
to just
Bengal
one
Warrior.
man
Gets number
standing.
7 out.
Trying to save the team from an all-out. 4-8 points so far. There was a jump, a huge one, but not enough.
Raider
That's an
out.
all-out. I actually wanted to see. I hope he didn't land on his head
All out
when he
equals
landed
to 3 points.
on the mat.
Bengal Warrior.
Whereas Bengal Warriors will be rejoicing. But he's got great speed, stamina, strength. Will he? Does he? He does it!
Now that's an entry. That's a statement, along with the
Right
Bengal
save.
Warriors
2
against
points.
two-time
Bengal Warriors.
defending champions, the Jaipur Pink Panthers. Do or die, there is no try, there's no safety blanket. A rough super tackle opportunity as well. Abhijit is hurt on the head, but they pull off a Magar ki Jakar. And
Jaipur Pink
Abhijit
Panthers.
now. Strong. Didn't get over. They're giving in an answer, a reply to what the Pink Panthers have put in there.
Bonus point.
Picks up
Jaipur
a
Pink
bonus
Panthers,
before he was
Raider out,
ushered
1
out.
point,
It was
Bengal
a solid
Warrior.
dash. 21-12. Bengal Warriors. Maninda would be watching and smiling. Well done, boys. Fazal Attrachali would be saying, great job. And this is what you would want when you have Reza Mir Bagheri there. This is rock super tackle. Magar ki Jakar. This time
Raider
around, no
out.
blemish.
Super tackle.
2 points. 1 man they'll
2
be able to
points.
revive.
So it is finally the
Jaipur Pink
third
Panthers.
rock super tackle. Another Makar ki Jakar. Oh, Pink Panthers decision making is so important in this game. Arjun Rathi, here he comes, putting the pressure on Ankush. Reza is in there. Good to see how he goes about his business here. Arjun Rathi tries to power through, but the power of Ankush get the better of him.
He is anticipating now. The right cover falls
Right
for
save,
that
1 point.
enticement. Vaibhav Gandhi
Jaipur
on the
Pink
bench.
Panthers. Jersey number 5 out.
More points from the Raider, which is not going to be because the Jaipur Pink Panthers have inflicted the all-out on
Raider
Bengal
out.
Warriors, and
Bonus
they
point,
will
Bengal
be
Warriors.
in the lead after a
1 versus 3
very
points.
long time.
Jaipur Pink Panthers.
At least a tie or a win from here. He's doing very well so far. Now he'll go deep. Now they've got their man. And the raid clock will stop at 41
Raider out.
seconds, which
1
means
point.
there will be time
Bengal
maybe
Warriors.
for 3 raids from here on.
28-30. A tie still means that the Pink Panthers qualify. Arjun Rathi. He's tried his best. How many?
Raider out.
If he's
1
got, no,
point.
he hasn't. He hasn't.
Jaipur Pink Panthers.
Jaipur will qualify and Pune will be out of contention. They're looking to put in one more raid after this, or will they have time? They have time. But will the raid be allowed? Whistle
Net
goes!
over.
Jaipur Pink Panthers have marched into the playoffs of season 11. The champions of season 1 and 9 handled pressure better than Bengal Warriors, and hence they have qualified for the playoffs.